This thing wey Sophia and Muhammadu dey do, e no make sense. E no make sense at all. See the way you dey carry Imade dey run kata. E no make sense. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Lovers of Davido and lovers of Chioma and lovers of Early Mom, lovers of Sophia, lovers of, in fact, all the whole Adeleke family. It's not making any sense. Let's tell ourselves the truth. This thing that Sophia is doing too it no make sense at all. See the way Papa Davido does dey show love to the other children. They show love to Ellie be im name. See the way he does dey hug the baby. See the way the love is there. You just dey carry your daughter dey run kitikata. See December wey you suppose to allow your daughter go celebrate with his family. You no gree because of your selfish interest. It doesn't make any sense. If you and the father has any issue, let it be between both of you. Leave the daughter out of it. I feel for that girl. I will not lie. Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. If today is your first time tuning in, please do well to hit the notification button. Anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. To my returning subscribers, I see each and every one of you. To my new subscribers, I see each and every one of you guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to watch my video. It's not easy. Like, I don't know what Imade will be going through, seeing all these videos circulating on social media, seeing all these videos pumping out on social media all the time, seeing our father showing love to our second sister, showing our grandfather is showing love to her. It doesn't make any sense. Why is Imade mother refuse this girl to go and see his family? If you ask her, you no get genuine reason. If you ask that lady, the reason wey she go give sef, e no go make sense. E no go make sense. Okay, why Amanda no dey go im daughter not to mingle with his family, that family? Why? E doesn't make any sense. You just dey carry your pikin dey run katakata. I no know where you dey carry am dey run dey go. E go tire you. Time go come, e go tire you. The girl still dey primary school. When you go enter university or when you go enter secondary school, na that time e go off you. Until you dey show say you be man, and you dey show say you be the mama, you be the papa. Only you want to take your responsible of that child alone. E go heavy you. No complain anytime. Any small holiday wey you notice, make you see say they dey get, Amanda dey make sure say im daughter go spend am with his father. E dey make sure say im daughter go meet im papa, spend am with am. Imagine this December now, no be holiday dem be go. She with Chioma and the twins and others Adeleke family, they went for vacation. They are back, and Davido father came over. No holiday wey dem dey get wey be say early im mama no dey allow make e go spend with his father. Why you no dey fear say Chioma go do im pikin something? Why you no dey get that feeling say Chioma is not a good mother? Why she dey get that feeling say I can leave my daughter for Chioma, go anywhere I want to go? But for Sophia own, e no dey like that. E dey pain am say Davido no marry am. And if you continue like this, it's going to heavy you. You no be the first baby mama. Let this baby go. Let this baby make e go dey see papa. E no go comot anything for your body. E no remove anything for your body. Rather, e go even increase money for your account. Keeping this girl to yourself, is it the right thing to do as a mother? Depriving this girl to see his father, is it the right thing to do? Because you and your papa get issue, you wan carry the issue put for his daughter body. Issue wey no concern the girl. Issue wey no relate to the girl. You just dey carry am, just dey use am against that little baby. Sometimes if you dey see this video, you no dey feel am. As I know say now, make you see this Davido father dey surrender social media, dey circulate social media with earlier. If she go bring out video wey she go do with her own daughter. My God. She go bring out video wey she go do with her own daughter to distract viewers, to comot their mind for that Davido father, to his own video, all those stuff like that. Una go see am say I talk am. She go post one video. It doesn't make any sense. Me, I just dey feel for the little baby. I no go lie, I dey feel for the baby. See the way the baby dey smile now, when im grandfather dey shower am gift. See the way e dey smile. The connection is there, the bond is there. See what you are depriving your daughter for because of selfish interest, because of your own interest. I don't know what you stand to gain for doing all this thing. I don't know what you gain. I no know wetin you dey gain for you seeing your daughter going through this pain alone. She can't speak. She can't speak. If though she speak, how we go take know say she dey speak? How we go take know say she dey tell you, I want to see my dad. I want to see my dad. Sorry, I want to see my dad. I want to see my dad. Nobody go know. No be wetin una put out there, na that thing we go take judge you. But use anything make you dey worship there. Allow this little girl to go and see his father, or allow his father to come and see him, but not in your house. It's not nice. If let's see truth and say, Sophia mama on YouTube, you dey see am, you no dey talk. You no go talk to your daughter. Me, I dey talk am and I go still dey talk am. Any mother wey be say, no be say na the man choose say e no go take care of that baby. Na you choose say you no want the man to be a part of the baby's life, and you dey take the baby out of his family, like his father's family. You are not a good person. You are not a good person, because if you are a good mother, you will not allow your daughter to be passing that kind of pain. You no go dey see your daughter make im sit down dey see this kind thing make dey happen to her. No be say papa no dey o. If papa dey, na wetin dey pay me o. If papa get money o. Wetin dey for you to allow this girl to go and spend the Christmas with his father family? Okay, let's put David aside. Okay, make she no go spend with David. What about the grandfather? Did the grandfather do you anything? The grandfather offend you. Okay, allow her to go and stay with his grandfather for a little while, but no, you want to keep it to yourself. It's not nice. No be say na David say e no go dey part of the baby life. Na you choose. You dey use because of say you born pikin for David, you want to use it and pay him back for all the old thing wey he don do you, wey you feel say David do you, wey you feel say e make you feel, e hurt your feeling. You wan channel that energy go give for the daughter. You say you can't be better, you be good mother. Anything that's transparent or cause you and David issue, it doesn't concern the child. It doesn't concern the child. It's not nice. See the way the grandfather dey show love now. If you see the other baby, that girl beside this video, you go see say na David cousin, yes, cousin brother daughter. That wife made us put to bed. Na the little baby be that. See the way all the grandchildren come together to celebrate Christmas. This lovely man, this peaceful Adeleke, so you take drag this man leg come outside because of the man drop you message or chat with you. Na so you take drag the leg come outside. You don't do all those things finish, you do and finish, wetin you gain? I know say people go always dey say why Sophia all the time, why Sophia? If Sophia is doing the right thing, nobody will come out and be dragging her. Nobody will come out and be throwing her. Nobody will come out and be saying things to her. She's not doing the right thing. Let's put it fat. Let's forget that Davido don no later marry am. Oh, this is the child that we are talking about. You cannot stop the child to see his father, not because of say a papa no wan see pikin. Now you decide because of what you want to gain. That means I wish Davido marry you. Is it how you na so you go dey behave? Normal say Davido come marry you. Na so you go dey behave. There is no time Davido promise you marriage. There's no time. If Davido promise you marriage and then if you fulfill the marriage, it's a different case. He did not promise you marriage. Why are you carrying the pain to Just dey carry the pain dey put for your daughter body. You wan use am take wicked Davido say you no go see your pikin. Na only wetin you go take pay Davido back. My dear, you lose, you lose. Na you dey lose. Na you dey lose if you no know. You dey lose big time. You know how many people dey pray to come out from dis family? You know how many people dey pray make dem come out for Adeleke family? Do you know how many people that is even wishing to even be a step family to Adeleke? Abeg, Sophia, try to do well. Just dey carry your pikin dey run kitikiti katakata. I no know who dey pursue you. Time go come when that baby go grow, e go ask for im papa. All this one wey you just dey do, you just dey carry on dey do. Ma hear say Made will grow up tomorrow, you no go blame your mama for wetin im mama do am.